This is my Pixoo 64 by Divoom. I am a content creator. If you take a look right here, you can see right now it's on one of my YouTube channels. It just flashes across like how many views I have, how many subs, and some other information, the channel's name, all of that. But it also has my logo on there. I have a few of the collectibles that I've animated. You'll see right here, this is solo leveling here. They have some stuff within there that you can pick that's already made. The clocks, the YouTube clock there with that, Bitcoin, all sorts of stuff. As a creator, it's nice just to have something in the background when I'm streaming, live streaming, or even doing a video. It just catches people's attention in the background. And this scene's great. It's 64 by 64. I'm really happy with it. The only limitation is you can download up to 3 custom items. Now this one has the SD card. This is the older version. They have a newer version that gets rid of the SD card, but adds 5 gigahertz. Honestly, I'd rather have the SD card and have everything in memory. There's an app. It's actually pretty easy to use. Yeah, there's some limitations. Overall, those 3 custom slots to be able to download pictures or even videos and then put them onto here, that is premium.